Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well this week. I had a question about a file where the upright, so this is like a desk sitter, the upright piece, when it sits into this base piece, doesn't actually stay. It like fumbles around. So one of the reasons this happens is mainly because if you look here, this guy is probably too big. So we are looking at, I'm going to take my measuring tool. It is 0.7957 wide. Go here. I'm going to take my measuring tool again. And this guy right here is 0.7645. You think that wouldn't make a big difference, but it does. It makes a huge difference because what we're doing when we're lasering things, remember, we're cutting away material. So if we're cutting away material on this tab and making it smaller, and we're cutting away material on this slot and making it bigger, it's going to be loose. So let's go ahead and rectify that right now. We're going to scroll out a little bit. I'm going to grab this guy here. I'm going to grab these here in case I was doing 1/4 inch. And I'm going to start by selecting both of those. I'm going to go up to my tools. I'm going to come down to resize slots and selection because that's what we're doing. I'm going to pull this up and I am going to adjust, what was it, 7645. We're looking at the slot width. This one over here was a little bit bigger than that. So I'm really going to do this at like, let's say at 7.5. And if you scroll in here, you can watch, it should make this shorter. I'm going to hit apply. So it kind of, adjusts that for us. And now if I put this into here, they should be pretty close. So that's going to be a little bit tighter of a fit, right? This looks like it's going over. So instead of having to go in to adjust kerf and all that kind of stuff, looks like we've got less than a millimeter over here. But this is going to probably burn away. So that should be a tighter fit. You can adjust as needed. The other thing we want to look at when we're looking at things not fitting right is the actual height of these slots. So this is 1/8 inch material. This is supposed to be 1/8 inch. And right now this guy is set, of course I can always go up here and look too and say, hey, this guy is set at 0.1327. That's actually bigger than 1/8 of an inch. So if I've used my calipers and it says this is going to be 1/8 inch, then I want it to be 1/8 inch, right? Because again, when I'm running my material, it's going to burn away some of that tab and it's going to make it thinner. So I want to make sure that this is the height it's supposed to be. So I'm going to go in here and adjust these guys to 0.125. Oops, sorry about that. Went the wrong way. No, I didn't. 0.1. Oh, I got what I'm doing here. I have my ratios locked. So I want to unlock my ratio there. There we go. 125. Perfect. And then same here. It's only supposed to be 1/4 of an inch. It looks like they are a little under 1/4 of an inch. So those should actually work. I would leave those right where they are. Sorry, I haven't had my coffee this morning, guys. Anyway, so that's what I would do. That's how I would approach this. And then you can kind of cut it out and it should fit in there a little more stable now. Hope this helps someone today.